welcome back to Houses for Adventures. We're at Europa Park at Germany and we are going on a big thunder mountain, what it looks like. Don't know what it's called though. And it's my birthday. I'm 9. I've just been on Alban Express. It was really good. You're going 2 times. I was on War 2 with my mum, and when you go, it's freezing. My teeth were my teeth was like cold. I've just got this because it's my birthday. In this thing, whatever it is. Shop what sells crystals.
Nicht die Tür öffnen! Ein Frosch ist entlaufen!
They've got some lovely fountains here on the stage, and we're in Austria. Lovely train. Now we're going on Arthur. Not going on Arthur because it broke down, so we came to have dinner. And now I'm going to bring you on a big slide and a small slide. Let's go! And now the small one. Woo! Yeah, but yeah, I've been on them. Yeah, I'm on the balloons. Cold up here. Bit slow. And now we're going on the Switch coaster. Just got off the Switch spot. My mum went on it. Hooray! She doesn't like roller coasters, and she's gonna come on Voltron as well. Oh my god! And now we're in the Lindor shop, and I'll show you what I get after. I've got these. Happy. just been on Voltron. I thought it was really good. You go upside down 7 times. We were sat on the back row. The inversions when you go around them is really good. And it's massive, the thing. And they go around the tower. And it's my new number 1. I'll give you a second.
I don't like that angle. You need to point it up a little bit.
And now we're going on Blue Fire. It has a big loop. Tell you that.
C'est même passé longtemps. En face. C'est la suite, regarde.
I have just been on Blue Speed. It was like the launch of Rita. I know I've not been on it, but like my dad said it was like the launch of Rita. The thing's massive. Watch, look at that. Look at it. It's massive. Look, it's going round. It's massive. It's massive, and it's really good. The launches doesn't stop. It goes right into a drop. In the last clip I was supposed to say Blue Fire. I said Blue Speed, but now we're going on Wodan.
Weisheit und Erkenntnis. Dazu die Gabe der Weissagung.
I've just been on Wodan. I thought it was really good. The first drop don't end. It really don't end. You get a good view of the park when you go up the lift hill. It was really fast. It might be, so it might be my list top 5, probably 3rd.
Oh,
So
it says your order is being processed.
So my thing is Voltron, Hyperia, Wodan, Rancho Mayhem and Wickerman. I think Wodan goes 3rd. And now we're going to have some tea at the Rollercoaster Restaurant. I am eating my tea now. Spaghetti bolognese. It's nice. Going on Matterhorn Blitz. And by the way, guys, I am going to the water park because my mother and dad surprised me, but I won't be filming. I've just been on Matterhorn Blitz. It was really good. I had loads of room. I could have flown off. I could have face planted in the floor. It hurt. It hurt here, my side. And the lift hill went. It went. Oh, not like this. And then you get taken up the lift hill, and the drop goes. And now we're going on Europa, and it's a spinning coaster. I have been on Europa, whatever it's called. It was really good. You go up like this really a lot of times. It's high. It's fast actually. It's fast, And now we're going on, I don't know, Hang coaster. I've just been on Hang coaster. It was really good. It was really fast. Again, it did. And it's in a big ball. He's still on it right now. I don't know how long for. A ride with loads of T-Rex. I forgot what it was called. Right, I've ended the day off with a ride, but I don't know what it's called. It looks good. Oh, it's raining. The day's been a really good day. I've said thank you to my mum and dad for coming here. I'm going to the water park tomorrow. Remember to like and subscribe. I've been Harrison. Peace. Sorry guys, shit in my mind must have ruined it. Attempt 2. Remember to like and subscribe. I've been Harrison. Peace.